Did you know you can make money from your Instagram account? Let me show you. As you know, my name is Jordan, yeah, from Jordan TV. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do it now. I'm gonna teach you how you can create your Instagram account and make money from it. The first thing you do, you just open your Instagram app. Yeah, this is what you will see on your screen. And the next thing you will do is just to sign up. You see here, sign up. After sign up, you would see choose username. Let's say your name is Joseph, Joseph TV. Yeah, Joseph, capital J, Joseph, dot TV, one. Yeah, you see Joseph dot TV, and number one, because you have to add numbers. Maybe in the future you will change username, but in the beginning you have to add numbers. That's why if I remove the number one, I don't think it will. Yes, you can see they give me different options. So it's not a must to add number, but if you want, you can add number. If you don't want, you add character. Yeah, like hashtag or any other thing. You see? So this is what I want to do. I just click joseph.tv and number one. Yeah, this is approved. And then next, just click on continue. Uh, allow, allow, and continue. So here you choose your number. Which number you're going to use. Let's say you live in the reason why you see plus 254 is because I'm in Kenya right now. So if you are in Burundi, you will see plus 257. If you are in Rwanda, you will see your country code. So this is my country code as I'm in Kenya right now. So I'll just add 798316293. uh, I will just add my number here. And then email address. Which one can I use? Let me just use the number one. So after email, you just click here on next. Create new account. This is where I choose my birth date. Yeah. So you can let's just do date 7 April and 2004. Yeah. Or 2000. Yeah. Let's just do 2000. This is your birth date. Yeah. So that means I have, okay, let me just put 1990. That means I have that 6. Yeah, it's just an example. I don't think I have this age. So after that, you just click here on next. Add a username. You can change this. I just the username you can just do Joseph.tv. Yeah, this one. Next. Yeah, let's wait and see what is gonna happen. Yes. Next, you can allow access to your account. No. Let me just click here on next. Okay, this is about permission. Yeah, it's normal. You can just open your phone and do it. So permission. Yeah, you click here on permission, contacts, allow. Yes. And then you go back. You can click on next or just skip. You see skip over there? Skip. This is where you add your profile picture. So if you want to if you want to put your profile picture, you can just click here on add a photo. I can use this one. This is my profile picture. And then finish. So this is where I add my number. You can put your contact 07, or you just skip. If you don't want to put your number, you can just skip. Skip. Skip again. So this is what you are going to see on your screen. You just click here on got it. Yeah, this is what I see on my screen. So if you click here on your profile, you will see that you have 0 followers. You have 0 following and 0 posts. So that means it's a new account. You have never followed anyone. You also don't have followers. So you are going to use it as a new beginner. As you know, I teach how you can monetize your Facebook account, how you can monetize your YouTube, TikTok, Instagram account. So nowadays, people are online just to make money. If you are not making money and you are using your bundles, no, this is your time to make money. Yeah, thank you so much. May God bless you.